Greetings from Singapore. Today I will exploring the Clarke Quay area, the nightlife prime spot in Singapore. Okay, for adults, 12 years old and above, $28. Now we reached the block here already. Greetings from Singapore. Today I will exploring the Clarke Quay area, the nightlife prime spot in Singapore. It's just so amazing, this place. There are booths and colorful lighting inside the pubs and restaurants, and a beautiful colorful bridge. Oh, there's a nice dining restaurant here. It's called Borough Market Cafe. More food serving. Join the Barbie waves. There are restaurants and pubs on both sides of this street. They call it the Rich Street. There are some rap going on. Nice fountain. Wow, the fountain has the colors, and over there's a circuit block. See, there's even a staircase cycling through. The warehouse block B, Malaya settlement. Some kind of pastry and dessert right here. And the burger as well. Block C, the circuit. Some kind of pub here. Oh, look at this. It's actually quite nice. You can relax here and chit chat your friends while admiring the crowd passing by around the Clarke Quay area. Wow, it is a karaoke here. It looks very techno and futuristic, right? And guess what? There's an NTUC FairPrice banner supermarket right here. I'm just curious, they have their own bar here. I can't believe this is actually the NTUC, right? But it's actually the NTUC. Oh, look at the Christmas, the Santa Claus. BBQ box. Wow. Okay, that's a nice name like Kopi and spell. Do you drink coffee and you learn the spell at the same time? And in front, there's a Singapore River Cruise. You can just buy the tickets. It's called a bumboat. Let's check out the price at that time. Okay, for adults, 12 years old and above, $28. Child 3 to 11 is $18. No outside food or drinks. Now we've reached the block E already. There's some kind of ice cream here. Cotton Girl, Rainbow Panda, Dark Flower and Bunny. $3 strawberry ice cream. Limited to flavors, matcha ice cream. Riverfront block E. So there's a red line and a blue line. Blue line for travel agents, red line for ticket holders, and there's online booking as well. See the more customer right here. I think because there's a band here. bar living is salsa bar here. Slingshot game. Right, and then $70 for 2 right. There's another game here, it looks more dangerous but nobody's playing. It's called the Wing and Scream. The trees here are special, they even have the light bulbs on it. And by the way, there's another boat, but less people on it. So on the road now, it's called River Valley Road. And Yudong Sing Street in front. The nearest subway station is Clarke Quay. I'm walking over because actually I want to cross the Blue Bridge. We're crossing in a room 2 seconds, and that's a 9G by the way. Oh, it's actually not a blue bridge, but the light bulbs are blue color that illuminate and lights up the whole bridge. Remember to subscribe and enjoy the video and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much.